Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you connect Zendrop to Woocommerce? Well, it's going to be a simple step, so bear with me in this one, okay? So, first and foremost, you're going to need to actually go to connect my store here, and as you can see, it entices you to connect basically to whatever platform it is available out there. You could also connect via TikTok Shop and Facebook Shop as well. So in this case, Shopify too. So let's connect your Zendrop to Shopify. So you could just basically choose another platform. So again, there's the platform here: ClickFunnels, Shopify, TikTok, US. So depending on whichever platform you like. So in this case, WooCommerce. Just make sure to log into your WooCommerce first, because it's impossible to do this without really putting your account into par. Setting up your account first, getting it ready for the initial connect. Okay, so again, open your WooCommerce account so we could commence the actual process. And one thing in mind, that you also need to have an email that is connected to your Zendrop. Like for example, if you have a WooCommerce, whatever email you have here in your Zendrop, that's also the email that you're going to be using on the WooCommerce also, because it's just not going to connect if the emails are really not on par with one another. Okay, so this is your Zendrop. Just click on copy paste. We're going to be pasting this to let me just go to the actual profile first. Once you've copy pasted the profile here, we can just basically put it into our connector, which is the WooCommerce. As we all know, just provisioning a couple of things here, like the email, and not just the email, the actual name itself, because again, we're going to need this so that it won't be rejected once we try to connect this one. Phone number, company name, whatever it is you have here, it has to be the same thing. Whatever it is you have inputted on your WooCommerce itself. Okay, so again, here we have company name, RP Young, and company address, including the phone number too as well. Okay, so but if you don't have any phone number inputted on the WooCommerce, it's totally fine if you don't have. This is just the address that I was using, the billing address on my WooCommerce. So that's what I'm going to be putting here on Zendrop. Password, you can just input the password here. Just make sure to be that it's the same on the repeat new password. Okay, so once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click on save there. And yeah, just make sure to go read their terms and conditions as well, because I did try to connect them once before, and before I haven't checked the terms and condition, and it really routed me to this platform saying that you need to check the terms and conditions. So in here, now that we are on WooCommerce, you just basically click on Connect Store, and once you click on Connect Store, the link from the Zendrop, you go ahead and paste it here, the Zendrop profile, and then click on Continue. All right, so once you're done with that, we're going to be checking if we've already connected our apparatus to the actual site. Okay, so yeah, those are just the normal steps that the extra steps that you have to do. But let's just go back to the Zendrop here. Yeah, and go ahead and click on my store, and here it is, as you can see. So right now, since we've already connected it to just make sure to be uh, properly set it up here. You need to be properly setting up your the find products, uh, my products. You need to be properly set it up because you're not going to be utilizing its full basically capacity if you don't basically do so, because you're going to be running into some mismatches uh, later on. So yeah, that's just basically it. And also just a reminder, read the terms and conditions. Email has to be on par. Okay, so if you're having a little bit of a hard time, you can just basically ask for help. I do believe that this is they are supported by AI as well, so you could just basically buy your products here or reconnect it to your store elsewhere. Yeah, Men's Tropical Coral Cove T-shirt. We just buy stuff here, and this could also add to our dropshipping processes. So I've connected my Shopify with Zendrop and also Zendrop with Woocommerce, so it all interconnects with one another. So they do have plans also. If you're interested in plans, they do have perks if you have the premium one, because you're not going to run into some restrictions basically. So that's a beautiful thing about purchasing a plan. So yeah, it's basically it. On your products, you can basically add new product here as you please, and they do have YouTube videos as well that you could watch, some sort of like a tutorial on how to do their actual shift. So yeah, all supplies are here as well. Zendra fulfillment, Seco Limited. As you can see, this is just the beta version, so we have limited capacity. Okay, like they do have requested product here. So in here, you can just basically adjust the prices depending on the preferences that'll appear on the store basically. So you can just adjust it here, ranging from $0 to $201, and just basically look for products ranging from those prices. So yeah, I certainly hope that this video is of any help for you guys. So that's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.